Welcome to Boutique Poudre de Fée YouTube. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a beautiful treat with a gingy. And we are using right now the donut dough foam clay. All the main products that we are using today, you can find them at www.boutiquepoudredefée.com. These beautiful eyes, you can find them on Etsy or Amazon. These beautiful pink tools are also available in my website. They are used to create beautiful faces, smiles, and beautiful eyes, or push your eyes evenly. So your imagination is your limit. Look at that beautiful smiley face. It needed a little nose. As you can see, we are creating the body. Once your parts are created, put them together to see if they are uniform and if they are according to the size. And let's create some little hands. Okay, so that's done. A little swipe and let's continue. After adding a little bit of tacky glue, we will be using our brand new Pastel Circus mix. I don't don't even have to tell you that this mix has been created with lots of love. Every detail that you see has been delicately chosen to create this fantastical, whimsical, beautiful, colorful, delightful mix. And now we will be using tangerine splash and fruit punch clay. Some people prefer to fill in with styrofoam ball inside. However, I will use the clay because I prefer to make sure that everything is filled inside. This time I am making my own eyes out of foam sheets. I painted over the color that I wanted because I didn't have a pink foam sheet. You can purchase these glasses from the Crafty Ma'am. She is available on Facebook. You can use puffy paint to create the icing on the gingy. However, you can also use foam clay to do the swirls. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned because there will be a part 2 coming soon.